What's up, YouTube? Shine bright. I'm going to show you all how I style my twists. Stay tuned. Yeah, ladies. Yeah, I like to feel good about myself. So I'm going to show y'all real quick how I style these twists. You know, our hair is our adornment. It adorns us. It actually enhances our features. And adorn means to embellish and to enhance. So I like to enhance my appearance. Like I said, it makes me feel good. Like I said, we have so many hats we have to wear. And lots of times as women, we don't get a chance to take a lot of time out for ourselves. So I like to take, this is my opportunity to take some time out for myself. So by looking good and feeling good. And this is all that I do is I'm just spraying water on my hair. Just like that. As you can see. And what I'm gonna do now is I'm just gonna go around, and since I like volume, I'm just gonna start twisting this all up. You probably have seen it before, called Bantu knots, but you can Bantu knot your twist, and some of you all have probably already been doing this, but this is what I like to do. Band knot my twists, just twisting them, getting them nice and stretched, as you can see. See my gray hair, and I'm just gonna take it around like that. Take it around. Take it around. Hope my hand's not ashy. And I just take it around, and I'm still twisting. Uh-oh, I'm about to knock the camera down. Still twisting. We'll see how that is nice and tight. And so, just gonna do this side now. And by my hair being so fine, it likes to absorb water. So I don't have to put a whole lot of moisture in my hair. I put the water in, and usually I just use oils, like almond oil or castor oil. See, I'm just twisting this around, and I really do need some color right now, because these gray hairs are coming in. I'm just twisting it around. And I tuck it up under that first loop I've made. Twisting that part so it can get tight. And it doesn't have to be perfect. We just want this Bantu knot in so we can achieve our style. Going in on this side now. Same process. Yeah, this is our adornment. We gotta feel good about ourselves as women. One thing we can do is make sure that our adornment that's on our head is taken care of, because it does add character to us. It shows that we are a kept woman. There I am twisting that hair around. You know, you have to find things that work for you in life. This might not work for somebody else, but this is what I like to do. It works for me. Just twisting. That didn't get under there. Kind of look crazy a little bit, but that's okay, because in the morning, I'm going to show y'all how I put on my makeup. Well, I don't put a lot of makeup on, as you can see. This is about it, but I might put some makeup on, a little makeup on for y'all. Now this is the back. Hope y'all can see it. Gonna do it. I'm just gonna twist that around. I hope y'all can see. And there's no perfection to this. There's no, I don't try to be neat. And I'm not putting a lot of Bantu knots on it, because if I put too much, then it's gonna be too curly. And I like to have volume. And the curls they do fall out by the end of the day, but at least I get a good 4 hours of the style. Yeah, I'm just gonna, that's tight, yeah. That's tight, baby. Gonna do the last one. I'm just twisting, y'all. Just twisting my hair. It's hard to twist it back. Let's see how long I can keep my hair. Usually I can keep my hair like this for about 2 months. Ooh, y'all, this style making me hot. And like I said, it don't have to be perfect. I'm gonna tie it up with a scarf. That's it. See my entire scalp. But this is how I look going to sleep. Wakanda forever, baby. I'll have a good night, and I'll see you all tomorrow morning so you all can see how I style and adorn my twist. So y'all join me on part 2. I'm going to show you all how I put everything together, so you all will be getting ready with me in the morning time as I unravel my twist and put on my makeup. Shine bright. Have a great day.